Top 5 Best Metal Detectors for Kids. The 5 Best Metal Detectors for Kids. These battery-operated metal detectors make great holiday or birthday gifts that'll keep kids entertained for hours, and could inspire a lifelong hobby. The most simplistic selections beep and light up as your youngster hunts for hidden treasures, while our advanced choices allow the user to alter the probe's sensitivity, perceive depth, and discriminate between high and low-quality materials. When users buy our independently chosen editorial choices, we may earn commissions to help fund the Reviewparks. Number 1 National Geographic Pro. Number 2 RM Ricoh Max GC 1028. Crazy sale. K4. Geographic Jr. Crazy sale.
To turn the unit on, adjust the bottom volume knob until you hit a desired volume. At this point, turn the sensitivity knob clockwise until either you hit the end of the dial or until you hear a beeping noise. Once you hear a beeping noise, adjust the knob counterclockwise until the beeping stops. If your unit continues to beep after you go all the way to the end of the sensitivity dial counterclockwise, move the unit to an outside space away from metal or electrical interference. If your unit continues to beep at this point, please contact our customer service for further help.
Number 5 Avid Power Jr. Crazy sale.